Hi guys, welcome to Vijay Views. I hope you guys are safe and healthy. So guys, in this video I'd like to cover up on the Royal Enfield 450 update. Uh, I know guys, I'm really late with this video. Already you could have seen multiple videos on YouTube. Uh, on my channel, I personally wanted to cover it up. I really love the new design, how it has been really made up, right? So in terms of launch, it is going to be launched in 2023, which is a longer time. But I hope Royal Enfield doesn't disappoint with any surprise, right? So whatever they have been committed, if they are bringing it, I hope the wait will really be worthful. And in terms of the pricing compared to the older Himalayan, the new Himalayan will be a little bit expensive. The old one was around 2,14,000 and the 450 Himalayan will be around 2,70,000, right? So in terms of the features for the extra amount what you pay and the new design, you'll be getting the traction control option and the riding mode, right? So apart from that, other features would be carried from the existing Himalayan or from the other Royal Enfield vehicles, right? The tripper pod and the instrument cluster option will be taken from the other vehicles. And the only rival for the Himalayan would be the 390 Adventure. But again, in terms of the pricing, Himalayan will be a little bit cheaper on the ex-showroom front, and the 390 will be a little bit expensive, right? But again, the 390 Adventure, uh, it has a position for its own, so nothing can be compared with. It is really doing very well, right? So there's no comparison for the performance bit. And Himalayan, the upcoming vehicle will be uh, little bit powerful than the existing one, right? Right now, the existing engine makes around 24 bhp, 24 to 25, but the upcoming 450 will be around 40 bhp, which is closest to the 390 Adventure, right? So in terms of for performance, yes, it would be really good. Himalayans are really an all-rounder vehicle, right? But a few customers has problem, few are really happy. So it completely depends how the owners are using the vehicle, right? So upon the launch, if at all, if Royal Enfield Himalayan doesn't surprise you, the existing models also you will not be able to buy it, right? As every manufacturer, when they're increasing the price, the existing model price will go higher, right? So you wouldn't be having any other option. The only very well put together vehicle from Royal Enfield is the Interceptor and the Continental GT 650, right? So it is really worth buying that vehicles instead of Himalayan. But again, both are different in their own ways. In future, if Himalayan doesn't surprise you with the price and the design, what is been out right now, Interceptor also will not be bought. By the time the vehicle has been out, uh, it could have gone for a higher price, right? It would become an expensive vehicle. So wait till the launch. If Himalayan is really very good, if you really like the vehicle, you can go ahead and really try it out. And again, the pricing also you can compare it. Interceptor, any given day you can take it. It is really a capable machine. I hope this video is really worth to watch. Or if you really like it, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video on Wednesday. Please be safe, ride safe, get vaccinated. Bye.